In this video, we solve problem 10.2.9. We're asked to use the given data to find the equation of the regression line, and then we're asked to examine the scatter plot and identify a characteristic of the data that is ignored by the regression line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ordered pairs. So rather than using manual calculations, I think I'll use technology this time. And the form of technology that we've been using in our class is Excel. So I will show you how to do all of this in Excel. First, we're asked to use the given data to find the equation of the regression line and then examine a scatter plot. So I actually like to do it in the reverse order. I think I'll look at the scatter plot first, and then we will find the regression line in Excel. So if we want to use Excel to do this, it's actually very simple. You just click here and then click open in Excel. And then that takes you to a spreadsheet that looks like this. Now, if I want to create a scatter plot, I select the cells containing the data, then I go to insert, and then I just select the little image that looks like a scatter plot. And I see this. Just from the graph, we can tell that that's not a linear relationship. There's definitely a relationship there. It looks like it's part of a parabola, though. That's definitely a nonlinear relationship rather than a linear relationship. But if I want to use technology to compute the regression line, it's actually very simple. You go over here to add chart element, and then add trend line, and then select linear. And it gives us that right there. Now, if we go to trend line and then you ask for more trend line, options, these options will pop up on the right-hand side of your screen. So this is asking you if you want to set the intercept. We don't want to. If you want to display the equation, on your chart, or display the R value on your chart, R squared value. I will display the equation. So my equation is right here, and it's a little bit difficult to see. So I think I'll go home and I will select the equation itself, and then I will make the font larger so it's a little easier to see. Here we go. And it looks like the equation of our regression line is a 6.0 times, or 0.6, not 6.0, 0.6 times x plus 2.8. So let's go to MyLab statistics and see if they like that answer. So the slope was 0.6 and the y-intercept was 2.8. They want us to round to 2 decimal places as needed. So you get that answer, great. Then it asks us to create a scatter plot, which we already have done. The one that looks most like our scatter plot is C. And then it asks us to identify a characteristic of the data that is ignored by the regression line. And it says the data has a pattern that is not a straight line. That's our answer. So this is actually very easy, provided that we're using Excel to actually come up with that regression line.